Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. I thought I'd take a look at a company called Biome. I have recorded a couple of videos of this company in the past 6 or 7 months. My initial video was released in June 2023. Share price was like 5 cents. Not a lot of interest in the company at that point in time, but this has come or become a market darling in the last few months. The share price has completely taken off. The company has released a couple of positive announcements. They released revenue or profit upgrade in January. So I thought I'd just have a look at the Appendix 4C just to see if anything has significantly changed in this company over the past 6 or 7 months, or if the market has just become aware of this company and there's just a little bit of increase of hype in Biome. So Biome, and if you want to have a closer look at what this company does, have a look at my June 23 video. I'll put a link somewhere if I remember. But this company develops, licenses, commercializes, and markets innovative, evidence-based live biotherapeutics or probiotics and complementary medicines, many of which are supported by clinical research. The company has also stated they expect to be positive EBITDA by June 2024. They mentioned that, I believe, in October of 2023. So let's have a look at a few other facts in regards to this company. So founded in 2018, the company lists on the ASX on the 30th of November 2021. So it hasn't been around that long, but finally, after about 2 years being on the ASX, it has found some life. You'll be able to see that when we look at the chart in a second. The CEO and founder, Blair Norfolk, he has 8.7% of the company, and the CFO, Douglas Lowe, has 6%. So a little bit of skin in the game, which is something I like to see and many other investors in small caps or micro caps like to see. Now, first time I did a video on this company was the 5th of June 2023. The market cap at that point in time was $12 million. That's what the share price of 7.2 cents. I just had a look at the share price of this company right now because I am actually recording this video during trading on the 5th of February. I was going to say November for some reason. And the share price of this company is around about 31 cents. So that means at 31 or 31 and a half cents, the market cap of this company is $67 million. So the share price of Biome over the past 7, 8 months has increased fourfold, almost fivefold. So definitely increase of interest in this company. To confirm that increase in interest, I also like to see increase in volume. Shows an issue of this company, 212 million, and the ticker of this company, could it be anything else other than BIO? Before we have a look at the financial year 23 December results for Biome, let's just go back 1 year ago just to see how this company has progressed over the past year, just to see if there's any justification behind this increase in interest in this company. So 1 year ago, receipts of customers, paltry 1.8 million, and the company was not operating cash flow positive. They were negative by 349,000. Company had only $3.7 million of cash on hand. So at this point in time, the market wasn't really aware of this company. Share price really doing nothing, going sideways, if not just drifting down. So something has happened in the past year to turn around sentiment in this company. So let's have a look at the December quarter results for financial year 24, just to see if there's anything in these results that can explain the shift in sentiment around Biome. Now let's have a look at the December quarter results for financial year 24, just to see if there's anything here to absolutely love about Biome. Now this is just looking at 1 quarter's results. So we do have the blinkers on, and that can be a dangerous thing when you are trying to dissect why a company's sentiment has changed over the past 6 or so months. But there are some things to like about this particular quarter's results. Receipts to customers up to 3.1 million, so nice growth in receipts, up 1.3 million from the corresponding period. Company did find a little bit of scale, so the receipts did grow at a greater rate than the spending. Product manufacturing costs up $800,000, advertising flat, staff costs up $230,000, administration costs only up $20,000. And you could say the company was operating cash flow positive by $81,000. However, that operating cash flow was helped by government grants and tax incentives. So they say actually here, government grants, including EMDG, I have no idea what that is, and R&D tax rebate incentives, which was $315,000. I don't believe that particular those particular things belong in operating activities. I believe those things belong in financing activities. If you don't include lease liabilities or lease payments in cash flow from operating activities, that does not belong in this section either. It sort of distorts how a company's operations have performed. So in my opinion, this company was operating cash flow negative by about 230,000. But those government grants and extras did help out the cash balance of the company. So cash did increase by about $50,000 and finished at just over $2 million at the end of this particular quarter. So nothing really in these quarter results that explains why the market has fallen in love with this company. Now, in saying all that, when you do look at the receipts history for Biome, there is definitely things to like. Receipts are growing through time. And this is the first thing I always look at when I first start researching a company. Are receipts or revenue growing? I need to see that. So that is a good sign for this company moving forward. In fact, receipts have tripled since the first quarter they had listed, or after they had listed on the ASX. In fact, receipts have grown from just under 1 million to just over $3 million. Now, receipts are quite lumpy. You will see a couple of times here, receipts have dropped from the previous quarter. So if you do see receipts drop in the current March quarter from the December quarter, that's not a concerning thing moving forward. But if you see a few quarters in a row where receipts have dropped, particularly if it's 3 quarters in a row where receipts have dropped, that would be a concerning thing moving forward. Now, this is not the current chart for Biome. This is a chart from when I did that first video, the introductory video to Biome. And at this point in time, there was no interest in this company. In fact, the share price of Biome, since they list on the ASX, had fallen. It was still in a downtrend. In fact, the share price high for this company was the first day it had listed. Share price reached a high of 14 cents. Yes, 14 cents. And then share price more than halved, went from 14 cents all the way down to a low of just above 6 cents in March of 2023. So we're talking about 10 months ago or 11 months ago from when I'm recording this video. But let's have a look at the chart right now of this company. You just see the massive shift in sentiment around this company. The share price has completely taken off. Not only that, we have seen an increase in volume. So you need the two things happening at the same time. You need to see the share price increasing, and also you want to see volume. And the volume increase is an indication that someone in the market, could be institutions, could be increased interest in the retail investors, but someone out there is becoming interested in this company. And that's why the share price has completely taken off. Now, the share price did break out in July of last year. So just after I did that video on this company in June, the share price broke out, and the breakout happened just below 10 cents. So if you were lucky enough to take a position in this company when the share price broke out, and I did not do that, you have been fortunate, because if you have not sold out, this has become a triple bagger for you. So a brilliant looking chart right here, beautiful developing uptrend. This is exactly what we want to see for a company we own in our portfolio. But why has the market all of a sudden become interested in this company? And if we go back through some of the announcements this company has released over the past, say, 8 months, since July of last year, we can see the company has released, sorry about the grammar there, quite a few positive announcements. So the company did release a trading update on the 31st of July when they released their Appendix 4C. So that was, around the time or just after the share price broke out. They released their results in August, a trading update on the 3rd of October. That was before they released their Appendix 4C. They released an announcement on the 9th of October. Biome, is it Biome or Biome? Biome expects first month of positive EBITDA in financial year 24. So we didn't see a market response in that around that particular announcement. So revenue update on the 28th of November. And that's around about when the share price started to take off. So really it was that revenue update on the 28th of November that really started the interest, significant interest in this company. And that particular announcement, the company has said they expect to surpass $5 million in sales revenue for the first 5 months of the financial year, representing 70% growth versus the previous corresponding period. Strong momentum in sales growth continues from financial year 23, $7.23 million in the full year, Biome remains on track to deliver its financial year 24 revenue guidance of 11.5 million. So for some reason, the market absolutely loved that announcement. The company also then announced on the 11th of December they'd signed a landmark agreement to develop IP. Another announcement on the 21st of December, Biome to launch cholesterol-reducing probiotic. They released um, the revenue upgrade on the 8th of January. So it's just all these really positive announcements that have been driving this ball, turning around the sentiment in this company, and then driving this uptrend in the company. And that's what you want to see from companies like this, a continual release of positive announcements from the company. You can see the result of that just by looking at the chart for this company. And that's all I have for this look at Biome. I've got to find out how to pronounce this company. Is it Biome or Biome? Anyway, that's all I have for these companies. Appendix 4C for the December quarter. Things are moving in the right direction for this company. However, if you just take this particular December quarter results in isolation, it doesn't really explain why there has been such a shift in sentiment around this company over the past 8 months or so. But if you do look at the announcement history, you can see a particular pattern. The company keeps on releasing positive announcements to the market. So if you have any questions about this company, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye.